This is where we moved our forward deck up a bit. So if you remember, we have a tab from inside. They're gonna come in, they'll wrap this. Multiple layers of 1708, real beefed up. It's where we modified our deck height. Same thing, they'll come in, multiple layers of 1708. We'll get this structurally back together. Fairing work, the interior, getting that back right. Joe's laid out our 1708. Just make sure it doesn't need any trimming. Everything was cut from template, so should be close. But everything always needs a little bit of tweaking. What layer is this? Oh, this is the third? Nice. What's up, Joe Borelli?